Russell from the Energy Corridor has an AC aggravation.
Well, he got some new AC in 2018. He's no bueno. Russell writes, I called the installer because I can't even keep it at 74 because it keeps running. My old one never did this. He says, I turn it up to 75, 76, 77, 78 to get it to stop. It won't stop it keeps running for like 2 hours or more. The installer told me it's a new one, and that's what they do. So, Tom, Russell doesn't believe it should be this way. What's your advice?
Like having a car that won't stop.
Oh, that's the way they are now. Those silly new cars.
I think you got to get a second opinion, have somebody fix it. It's not supposed to run, even though you're putting it at different temperatures. So something's not syncing up. So call Absolute Comfort Air. If you hire someone and they keep telling you it's raining, but they're tinkling on your foot, you need to get somebody else to come in and fix that.
Wow. My feet are dry.
Okay.
So
but that's an old Texas saying. I use the word tinkle, but don't tell me it's raining and something else is happening. Okay, so don't keep working with people that like to brush you off.
I have lived in Texas since 1985. I've never heard that one. So
you know, Judge Judy wrote a book, and that's the title of it.
Right.
So there.
I don't think she's from
but
Texas.
I've heard that a lot.
She's not from Texas?
No.
Okay, all right.
But that is an old Texas saying. But what you're getting is you're getting the double speak. And when you start dealing with someone that's just going to tell you anything just to what you want to hear or just to see if you'll shut up and leave them alone, you need to deal with somebody else. Absolute Comfort Air. That's a problem. You know that's a problem. You're not an idiot. So you got to get someone to listen to you and fix it.
This is why we have Home Show Pros, by the way. The people you'll find at HomeShowRadio.com have been vetted, and you won't get this kind of double speak dancing and foot tinkling.
Foot tinkling, yes.
So anyway, and if you want honest answers to your questions, we can help you out anytime you want, free of charge, of course. Just send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in,
Ding.
and we'll answer it in one of these videos.